What are you ready?
Hi, we're here at Fox Sports Cards in beautiful downtown Marion, Illinois. Just finished another trade tonight, and I'm going to open up a box of 2010 National Treasures football.
Yeah.
Myself and Alex, the Packer.
Looking for the Joe Montana rookie.
That's right. All right, you hear that?
Oh, that's goodness.
That'll give you the checklist.
Oh,
There
Ed.
we go. There you go for presentation. Oh, you can
Does it smell like
You
varnish?
can get high, I think.
They do exist. Okay, we're having a Bradford called.
Oh, nice.
What is your preference? Do you have a preference?
Wow. I wouldn't mind a veteran, big name veteran auto. I mean, Bradford would be nice, but
Marino?
yeah, Marino would be nice. All right, we're gonna take from what I've seen for breaks. I think the last two are base, and I'm correct.
Base.
So here we go.
All right.
We have Mike Singletary.
Yeah!
Bears people.
Bears.
99. It's the pretty cool. I know they have autograph and jersey versions of that. So.
Ooh, nice.
Cool.
Yeah, I like those.
Brent Jones to 99.
Me.
Another.
Not quite Singletary.
No, not quite.
Brandon Jones.
A Roscoe Parrish to 99. Jan Stenerud.
Jan.
Is it Jan?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Jan.
That's all right.
Look like Jan to 99.
He actually is
He's a kicker,
Jan.
I mean.
Yeah. I was going to say, that could be Jan.
A Dwayne Bowe jersey
Marcia.
to 99.
Now you're starting to cook a bit.
Yeah. D.D. Lewis. I think it's all jersey. It spells Lewis though. It's pretty cool. To 99. There you go. Matt Schaub jersey. That's
Quit hit hiding.
sorry. To 99. I thought it was Brandon Jacobs, but it's not. It's Michael Strahan Prime, 2-color. It's pretty cool. To
Oh, he's hit height.
get the checklist.
Yes.
To 50. Century Materials NFL brand logo signatures. 56. Logo brand. Oh, there's NFL brand logo. Brand logo signatures. Next page. Brand logo. No Century Material. What? What's that? Hold on, we'll get right back to you. Century Materials. Well, apparently it's not on here.
Uh-oh.
So we'll say it's Sam Bradford.
I like that. Let me check that. I'll
Yeah, you
look on the
you
other
look at that
checklist.
while Then we have a John Connor autograph to 99.
Sakana's son.
A Doug Williams. Oh,
Is this what I think it is?
well, it's not the big one, but
Okay,
yeah.
I was gonna say I saw.
Yeah,
I
so
saw
whoever
the brand.
pulled out is about to get a viewing. Yeah. Doug Williams, 1 of 50 autograph.
Nice.
You don't see a lot of Doug Williams
No, you
out
don't.
there. He's a good man. He actually coaches.
Super Bowl winner.
14
Yeah,
of
MVP,
25.
Great stuff.
Sam Bradford autograph patch football.
Did I call it?
Yeah, you did, you did call it. Said Century Materials. I don't know.
Was it number 50?
56, I think. Century Materials. Sorry, Chris. I should have took a longer time there for you. See, that only goes to 30. I don't see.
Kind of makes the end of the video kind of
Yeah.
anticlimactic.
Yeah,
It
it's
does.
weird too because the brand look. There's nobody that's got a redemption for it up right now. So
So, well, if you know who it is, put it in the
Comments.
yeah. So.
So overall, did you like the product?
Yeah,
You-
I mean, how can you not? But and this may be somebody cool. I don't know.
We'll say that it is.
We'll say that it is. Doug Williams is cool too. Yeah, I don't see too much of his stuff.
No, yeah, I like, and he's a good guy.
So 1, 2, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hits.
Hi, we're here at Fox